Welcome to Emammy Group of Schools. Today we celebrated an exciting Jersey Day filled with energy, color, and school spirit. Represented their houses, engaging in thrilling ball games, challenging academic competitions, and energetic activities. From fun water games to exciting balloon challenges, every moment was filled with joy and laughter. It was a beautiful display of teamwork, talent, and sportsmanship, as learners showcased confidence and unity throughout the day. At Emammy, we go beyond academics, nurturing all-round development and lifelong skills. Jersey Day truly showed that learning is fun, active, and full of life.